Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to bake a salmon fish head. It's so delicious. It's everything in here. Salmon fish, a lot of benefit. Salmon head, a lot of benefit. Let's go start. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning. Okay, this salmon fish head right here. Anybody know how to eat this salmon fish head? It's so good. I'm gonna show you how to air fry, bake in air fry. Okay, so easy. Let me put my glove on. Okay, the seasoning right here, I already make fish sauce, soy sauce, black soy sauce, sugar, and chicken broth, chicken powder. So let's go. I'm gonna keep all the ingredient later on. So just go put in here, and I'm gonna add some a little salt, a little bit sauce to make a good seasoning taste. Yep. Marinate about 5 minutes. Guys, you don't believe this is right here. Look like I don't have nothing to eat. Oh my God, a lot of meat in here. And seasoning, little bit sauce. Make a good taste. Yeah. I'm gonna marinate for 5 minutes, okay? And then I show you how to bake in air fries. So easy and so good. If you go to sushi, if you don't know how to order special, they never have. This one you gotta know how to order, so they bring out for you. This one head right here, the time I went there, not pandemic yet, it's $5 right here. It's very cheap though. In restaurant cook for you $5 cheap, but I buy this one about $10 to 3 head. Okay, let me be in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, already 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead bake in air fry right here. So easy, guys, very easy to do this job. And then I'm gonna cook about 30 minutes. See that? So easy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the salmon head in here. First, I'm gonna go on the top, bottom on top up, okay? Then I can cook the bottom later. Perfect for 3 heads right here. Yeah, perfect. 3 heads. All right. Gonna drop all the juice in here. Very easy. Who don't know to cook, you can use this air fryer. It's the best equipment you have at home, guys. All right. I'm gonna go ahead fish. Cooking fish, and I'm add more. I would say I try about 30 minutes, maybe cook less than that. I can pull out early. Okay, so let's start it. All right, even cook. I set 30 minutes, and maybe cook earlier than that. We'll see. Okay, this first time I cook salmon fish head in air fry, first time. Let's see how they cook. Oh, look at that, look perfect, guys. Oh, yummy. That's it, done. It's done. Take it out. Wow, that's perfect. Oh my God, that's perfect. All right, let's put out and let's get out and eat. Oh my goodness, look at this. All right, perfect. Look at this. Oh my God. It's very easy to clean. You can use this one. Now you soak in the water bowl after you finish eating and clean very easy. Okay, let me taste. How's that taste? Perfect. So delicious, guys. Perfect. Time to eat. Vegetable, papaya salad. That's how you do it. Papaya salad. With the steamed rice. Oh yes, the best. All right, come on everyone, let's eat. This is Sisu kitchen, anything happen, guys, okay? Important thing, papaya. The number one right here is salmon head, salmon fish head. Anybody know how to eat? If you don't know, look at my recipe and you can cook just the way I do. So easy. That's a grandma, yeah. Look at this guy.
Oh,
All
yeah.
right.
See the steam coming off it?
That's a real deal right there. Oh, I hear
I think I'm gonna take me a shot too.
Awesome. Oh, yes. Look at this, guys. Healthy, good eating tonight. Quality. Look at alcohol. That's if you wanna drink alcohol, that's the way it should go. Alright, I can't wait to just yolk. Cheers. Happy Thursday.
Cheers.
Dinner.
Yes. Let me clear my throat.
Yep, let me clear my throat. Let me clear my throat. Yep. Cheers, guys. Oh, when you drink Grand Marnier, you don't put no ice rock. Just put in the freezer and so cold. You don't need no ice.
Yeah, you don't want no
and
ice.
100% perfect.
Ice water it down. Let's eat.
Oh yes.
I'm glad you made papaya. My favorite. I have so many favorites on your menu.
You know, papaya, the way I make, nobody can beat me.
No.
Everybody don't make good papaya, but they make okay. It's not big deal. But when you go to restaurant, to be happy they have papaya. But to be honest to you, it's not my taste. It's not very like all that. It's okay. You can eat.
Yours is the best in my book.
Okay, taste. Let me know. Taste papaya.
Okay. Man, that's good. I love that sour taste. Sour and spicy.
Yep. Then right here, someone feed his. Come on, guys, come on, eat with me. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. There you go. Oh my God, so good. You should eat that one first. You didn't know how the salmon head tastes yet. A lot of meat. Anybody know about salmon head? A lot of meat. Okay. To be honest, I love the head more than anything. When I eat fish, that's the number one food for me. I have to dig in first.
Yeah, the head make you smart.
You know, it's salmon fish. Nobody know how to eat. I show you how.
Look at that lump salmon head meat.
You know, it's easy to cook. I show you in the air fry. It's the number one machine at home. Everybody should have one because this is the best machine to cook. It should taste good, right? Be careful the little bone here and there, okay? And topping of vegetable. Okay, come on, eat, guys. This is everyday life of my eating, guys. Cook at home, eat at home, and very healthy food, and you know what you put in there, and you never feel bad to eating because you have to feel like the best eating because you know what you're cooking. Papaya. If it's steamed rice, this is the best. And papaya. This is everyday my household cooking. I cooking every day just like that. You know, go eat in restaurants, not all that, but just go for fun. But the good quality, healthy is my food. I'm cooking. This vegetable. Vegetable, your choice how you want it. I love parsley, and I love cilantro. And I love spring onion to eat with anything, just like that. We eat raw. I eat raw. And this one, I don't know how to tell you the name. It's like this vegetable right here. It's so good with papaya. Just like that. So good with papaya. Fish. And the rice, can't go no wrong with rice. Asian gonna eat rice.
Gotta have rice.
Gotta have rice. I grew up with rice.
Not complete without rice.
Yeah, not complete without rice. We don't eat a lot of meat in Asian country. Eat a lot of fish and rice. Vegetable. So back home, if you're very lucky, you eat meat. I'm glad, you know, you don't have to eat a lot of meat.
I'm gonna say most Americans, they believe in meat,
I know.
but you don't have to have a lot of meat.
Yeah, just eat a little bit at least. But
You see how big overweight Americans are because of that meat
yeah, I know.
and bread.
Meat and bread. Asian people, we don't eat bread. When we eat bread, gotta be appetizer like for fun, you know, something that go out, drink with coffee, then we eat bread. But at home, we eat rice. Morning, lunch, and dinner. This is my home. Breakfast, rice, lunch, and dinner. If we go outside, I might eat bread, maybe like for appetizer, for fun, you know, because I don't really cook that. It's okay for coffee, you know, have for fun, just like that.
You know, the truth is, people think that when you don't have a lot of food, you eat a lot of bread, fill you up. That's the, you know, I don't want to say poor thinking,
No,
but
because you eat bread,
they
you
say,
pay
you
for
know,
the rice.
you don't got a lot of food, you eat a lot of bread. You only got one hot dog, you know, you eat the bread, help fill you up. But also, you put weight on your body over time.
Cognac, right? I love this drink, guy. Quality drink, you can get one side.
And triple sec.
Yeah, you can get one side or two sides. It's good to go. Clean cut quality drink. So good. Happy Thursday. I know I'm gonna scare you guys. I don't want to scare you, okay? The best part of the fish is the eyeball. I don't want to scare you, but this is how I eat, how the Asian people eat. You got the eyeball right here, that's it. Then I'm gonna put papaya. Cover up. There you go. Just like that. So good. Delicious. All the vitamin E in the eyeball. Oh man, it's good dinner tonight. Basically, I cook good dinner every night, but I just don't show, guys. Today, I wanna share how to cook salmon fish head in air fry. It's easy to do it, so simple and delicious. That's why I show you. But every night, every dinner, I eat good food, but I didn't share. But tonight, I want to share. Here. You know, it's good quality because when you drink that, you can feel the butterflies come out in your eye. That's what you need, right?
Yep, quality alcohol.
Yeah, if you go to a restaurant or you go to bartender, happy hour, I'm swear to God, they don't cook, they don't make a good drink. Because I don't feel like that, you know. I feel just like a drink sugar with ice. That's not the best feeling like that, you know. Every part of the fish, so much meat if you know how to eat it. Salmon fish head, guys, so much meat. Just like that. So much. I feel I want to have another shot. Is it good or not? Nothing wrong, right? When you're at home, you can drink how you want it.
Right.
Second shot. Oh yes. Oh my God. Second round.
Cheers. Mm.
So
Oh,
good. You wanna drink Grand Marnier, good taste. You put in the freezer, and they get cold, and it's so good. And then you need no ice, nothing, just like that.
The best.
It's the best.
Farm.com.
The food is so good tonight. See that? Everything's so good, almost gone here and there. Papaya, fish head,
Papaya
almost
rice.
papaya and rice. Look at all the junk right there on the side. Can you
Graveyard.
believe it? Graveyard and vegetable. And my food, my drink, cheer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. Thumbs up, subscribe so I can see you more and more. I can show you how to cook at home, eat at home, and quality. Delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. And I see you next video. Bye bye. Peace out. And cheers.
Peace. Cheers.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Bye.
Adios.
Adios.